Thank you. Deputy Jackson with the Sheriff's Office stops being video and audio recorded.
Okay.
You got your registration as well?
This is my registration. I'm looking for my license now.
Yeah, that's us, man.
Here you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
Still live in Baltimore?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you turn the car off? Can I see the key? All right. Real quick, the reason I stopped you, you rode next to me for a while there.
I did?
Yeah. Since the McDonald's. We turned you were right next to me at the traffic light. We made a left-hand turn.
Okay.
And then you were following the speed limit. That was fine. But once you got to here, man, you were doing 70 in a 55.
I think I felt it too. I wasn't trying, I kept using off the gas pedal.
Okay.
I think it's one of my suspensions because it bounced and then I started picking up speed.
Okay.
And I was trying to tap on the brakes, so I did feel it.
Okay. You're probably better off slowing down than speeding up, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like if you start to feel, especially if it's a suspension, you don't want to go faster. That's just going to cause a big problem.
Okay.
How old are you?
21.
You're 21?
22 in September.
What's that? You're going to?
Yes.
You're going to turn 21?
Oh, I'm turning 22 in September.
Oh, 22. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't hear what you said. All right, man. Well, I'll look at your record. You got any points on your license right now?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Well, I can look it up.
Okay.
If I can work it out for you, I will, okay?
All right.
But I also smell the weed.
Yeah, I definitely...
Okay, you can just leave it there, man. Yeah.
I was letting you know in advance it was, it's already out. That's all you smell like.
Okay. Well, it was pretty strong when I was pulling you over, so maybe he's out now, but it wasn't a second ago. It's not the biggest thing, man. The way marijuana laws are going and everything like that, it's been decriminalized. Anything under 10 grams, it's just a civil citation, if that.
And that being under 10 grams, I'm guessing, so...
What's that?
I'm saying that being under 10 grams, meaning I'm getting this...
Oh, yeah, that's that. Well, then, again, I'm not going to be petty about none. You're being decent. All right. You mind stepping out, though?
No problem.
Okay. Just don't reach in your pockets or anything.
Yes, sir. Can
Can we leave that in the car for a minute?
Yes, sir.
I just don't smoke, so I just don't want to unfit.
No, I understand it.
Yeah, we'll go back over here. You got any? Don't again. Here you go. Turn to me. You don't have any weapons on you at all, do you? No knives, needles, nothing like that.
There's 2 knives on my door.
Nice.
Just literally for me fixing my car.
Okay. Not even worry about it. But you got nothing else on you?
Yes, sir. You can check me if you want.
Okay. If you don't mind, just real quick, man. Just change.
Yes, sir. Change.
Is that just ash all over you right there? You didn't shove nothing down in your pants, did you?
No.
All right. Can you turn around real quick? All right, man. You're cool. I'm not gonna mess with your shoes. They're nice and clean.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Like I said, it's nothing real big. I'm gonna wait for this other officer to get here, and then we'll finish everything else out. Okay. Even if there was more, and if it was right on the line, I'll still work in your favor just because you're being decent. I try not to push it too much unless somebody's giving me a hard time.
I understand it. So, question, because I just had a daughter and I'm actually looking for a job.
Okay.
Do you know any jobs out there hiring so that way I wouldn't have to be coming from the city to the county back and forth every day?
Are you trying to?
I'm trying to find somewhere out here.
4105, that's what you're saying. You're trying to find a way to stay out here?
Yeah.
Okay. I know a lot of people get, I don't know what your qualifications are, but a lot of people go over here to Kohl's Distribution.
Kohl's?
Yeah, or Rite Aid, which is up in Aberdeen.
Okay.
It's still not too far.
So, then Kohl's is the one right here off of Manson Road?
Yeah, but around that area.
Okay.
It's actually off of Trimble Road at 24, right at that intersection.
Yeah.
I just know a lot of people get jobs there. They're always looking for people.
So that's kind of the best favor for doing something quick just to get up.
Yeah, maybe just to get in and get a foothold. That way you're getting some money coming in, and then if you get familiar with the area, you can start looking at other places.
Okay.
That's just something off the top. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know any other places in particular that hire. They're probably just, each business probably does its own thing. You just kind of have to look into classifieds or something. You know what I mean? I just know that a lot of people get jobs there. They're always trying to get more people, and they always get rid of the people that are problems. And the same thing up at Rite Aid. They're big warehouses. So that's just 2 places to look. Where are you looking to move?
I'm actually trying to move in with my baby mother.
Okay.
But I don't want to move in, and I'm not paying or helping out with no bills or anything. It's going to be too much on her.
Yeah.
Along with her just having a baby, so it's kind of
Where's she live?
in Harford County.
Where?
Right there off of West State Street. Ahern Road.
Ahern?
Ahern.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and that would be right down the road from the Coles.
Yeah, so that's kind of like, that's something where I'm looking at that wouldn't be too far.
Yeah. Yeah. Last thing you want to do is, when you're trying to save money, the last thing you want to do is start spending it all on gas.
Yeah.
So, all right, just hang with him for a second. I'm just going to check the car real quick. Like I said, don't worry about nothing. I mean, if there is more in there, I don't need you to tell me about it. I'm going to check it anyway, and then we'll just get everything out in front of us, and I'll try to work it out for you, okay? Yo. I don't know what this guy's doing. 4105 Ocean King. Another person's walking up on us now. Can I help you? Can I help you?
What's your name?
You can back up, please.
This is a public sidewalk.
This is a traffic stop. You need to back up.
This is a public sidewalk.
You can't walk up behind us.
On a sidewalk. Hey, listen.
Back up.
Listen, you don't know me. I don't
Back
know you.
up.
You don't know me.
I'm telling you to back up.
Like you
I'm
know.
telling you to back up.
I don't care. Who do you think?
Back up.
Millions of people watch.
Back up.
You're gonna
I'm telling you. Yes. Back up.
You're gonna tase me?
Yes. Back up.
I'm on a public sidewalk.
Back up.
I'm on a public sidewalk.
This is a traffic stop. You do not belong here.
I am far away. I have a right to film the police. The
You can
Supreme
go over
Court-
there.
The Supreme
You're
Court has
interrupting.
given me- No, I'm not.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
For what? I'm on a
You're under
sidewalk,
arrest.
sir.
You're under arrest for hindering. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Sir.
Turn around and
I'm
put your hands.
walking on a sidewalk.
I'm telling you right now, bud. Put your hands behind your back.
All right, listen.
Don't reach in your pockets. Put your hands behind your back.
Sir, I'm not interfering with anything, sir. Sir, I'm not interfering with anything. I'm on a sidewalk.
You're under arrest. I told you.
For what?
Hindering.
Sir, I was on the sidewalk.
You can let go of this.
I was on the sidewalk.
You can let go of this. Everything's being audio-visually recorded, okay?
Sir. Okay.
This is going to go in your pocket for the time
Sir,
being.
I'm on the sidewalk, sir. And sir, listen to me. Listen to me.
603 dispatch. Can you open up a separate card for hindering and mark 1095
Hindering
here?
For what?
Start me,
You're
supervisor,
making a big
please.
mistake. You guys are making a big. I'm on a sidewalk. This is a public sidewalk, sir. I'm allowed to walk on the sidewalk.
He told you we're in the middle of a traffic
But
stop.
I'm walking on the sidewalk, sir. I'm walking on the public sidewalk. Can I speak to a sergeant?
Yeah, they're coming. You're going to have a seat right here on the curb. Have a seat.
Yes, sir.
You good right there?
Yeah, can you hang with him? Let me finish this up here.
Just gonna know where the
What's that?
Is the sergeant coming, sir?
Yeah, they're coming.
thank you.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah,
he's fine right here. You have your in-car on?
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna reach from here.
The mic? Okay, well, I don't want him up here with this guy.
Can I let you know something?
Go ahead.
I just want to let you know that what I do for a living, I'm a constitutional activist,
Okay,
and what I do is I film the police
okay.
from publicly accessible areas.
You can stand over there and film us from the front. You cannot walk up. Listen to me.
I was walking.
Listen to me.
I was going that way. You didn't.
No. You walked up behind us, and when I told you to back up, you're telling me this is a sidewalk. No, you can't get this
I'm
close.
walking down that way.
When the police are conducting an investigation.
I understand that, sir.
No, you don't
Sir,
understand.
I do this for a living, sir. I really listen.
Okay, but I'm explaining it
Millions
to
of
you.
People, I just want
Okay.
to talk to you. Millions of people see my videos, sir. I'm telling you. You can look it up. It's called Long Island Audit. I'm from New York.
It makes no difference to me about the videos.
No,
Listen to me.
No, I'm not saying that.
Do you want me to explain to you?
Yes.
Okay. Maryland and the Harford County Sheriff's Office, which I am, a Harford County Sheriff's Office deputy, okay? We will allow you to video. I don't care if you're standing over in the parking lot where I can see you, away from the traffic stop. But as soon as we do a traffic stop or any other type of investigation, we drop a bubble on the area that we're in. You're not walking up behind me.
No, I wasn't trying.
No.
Sir.
You walked from over there to right here. You're not walking up. Listen to me.
Okay, I'm listening.
You're not going to get the full answer unless you just stop.
I'm gonna listen to you, sir.
You walked from that car over there, this direction, right behind my truck, to the back corner of my truck,
That's why
right
I
here.
record, but it's okay.
Okay? And I told you no.
That's why I recorded.
I said back up.
I wasn't.
Okay, you don't want to listen. So we'll go ahead and charge. Okay? And then you
Come
can
on,
you
sir,
can.
listen, I have
No,
a-
it's not. Come on, you're under arrest.
Sir.
You're under arrest.
Sir, don't listen to me. I have. All right. That's what you want to do, sir. I mean,
That's not what I want to do, but you didn't want to listen to me. You wanted to argue with me to the point where I had to take my taser out because you didn't want to stop approaching us.
Sir, listen. How about you let me go on my way?
No.
And we're not gonna.
Nope.
And we're not gonna.
You're going to jail.
Nope.
That's it. I'm not messing around with it, man, because I believe in your rights. Listen to me. I believe in your.
I stand up for the Constitution, sir. I got sergeants, lieutenants who have my back. I got county officials in my.
I don't
state.
care.
And sir,
You're not going to walk up behind me like that.
I had no ill intent.
You took
sir.
my whole attention away from this stop over here.
I'm sorry for doing that, but
This is our business. Who is that guy right there?
I'm apologizing.
Who is that?
I'm apologizing.
I don't care about your apology. You are under arrest.
I'm not saying that.
I appreciate that you want to talk about it now.
No, you can
But at
do
the
whatever
time,
you
you're very confrontational, and it's taking my attention away from this
Sir,
gentleman
you
over here,
taser
whom you know nothing about. I pulled my taser because you kept stepping at me, bud.
Okay.
And my attention's over here.
Okay.
All right. They're coming. I apologize, man.
You okay?
Give me 1 second. I'll get you on your way.